Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will show how to stop Instagram from auto-completing or auto-suggesting searches. Start by opening your Instagram profile and tapping the menu icon. Go to Settings and then Security to find Search History. Clear your search history by choosing Clear All and confirm the action. This removes past queries that feed autocomplete suggestions. Next, return to Settings and prepare to disable features that create new suggestions. Follow the guided steps in the next slide to finish setup. Open Settings, then choose Account and tap Contact Syncing to disable it. Turning this off prevents contacts from showing in search suggestions. Go back to Settings, then Security, and choose Clear Search History to erase saved queries. Next, open Privacy and review connected experiences or Account Center settings. Remove linked accounts and revoke data sharing to reduce suggested results. Finally, use a browser in incognito mode or log out when searching to avoid new autocomplete. To prevent suggestions long-term, remove linked accounts in Account Center settings. Revoke app permissions and stop cross-account syncing to limit suggestion sources. Keep contact syncing disabled to avoid importing phone numbers or emails. Regularly clear your search history, for example once a month, to reset autocomplete data. Use private browsing for one-off searches and avoid tapping suggested accounts when they appear. These steps minimize auto-search and keep your search bar clean over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.